This video primarily demonstrates the alignment annotation operation in CoProcess software. Alignment annotation enables dimensioning of point clouds, vectors, and models. Annotation results are saved in the currently active drawing, with two drawing modes, continuous and single point. Click Vector Annotate, greater than aligned annotation to activate the function. In the viewport, click a point to set the starting position for the aligned annotation. After clicking, move the mouse to preview adjustments to the dimension line length. In the viewport, click a second point to define the length and direction of the dimension line. After clicking, move the mouse to preview adjustments to the dimension boundary length. Click a third point in the view to finalize the dimension line length for the current alignment annotation. After clicking, moving the mouse displays a preview for the next alignment annotation. The endpoint of the current annotation serves as the starting point for the next one, inheriting its dimension line direction and dimension line length. Pressing S or activating another function exits alignment annotation drawing, retaining the completed annotations. In the view, right-click and select the Single Draw option from the context menu to switch to Single Draw Alignment Annotation mode. Select the start point, end point, and dimension boundary length in sequence to complete the single alignment annotation.